Partial discharges. A phenomenon many monitor to determine if their generator is about to fail. But if the partial discharge activity is very high, at that point, damage may already have occurred, and you still have to replace defective bars, which cost both time and money. So how about monitoring bar vibration instead? By doing so, you can detect problems at a much earlier stage and fix the issue by re-wedging, which is far more cost-effective than the whole rewinding process. VibroSystem's fiber optic accelerometers, or FOA for short, is designed as a highly durable one-piece sensor and is widely accepted by the industry. It can detect the most minute vibration with its wide frequency bandwidth of 10 to 1000 Hz, possible because of its high resonance frequency. It also comes in both single-axis and dual-axis versions to better suit your needs. Contact us for more information. VibroSystem, information to better manage your machines.